Hello again, welcome back to the channel. This is something different today, completely different to what I normally do, but it's still referring to wood. If you've got watermarks on a table, this is quite badly watermark damaged. Don't sand it, don't stain it, don't do anything like that. All you need is, we all get packages like this, brown paper. So you just take off the brown paper, cut a section of brown paper, place it over where the watermark is on the table or whatever furniture you have. You need an iron. This is preheated. You just have to set it to however you like. This is on hot. This is I think it's maximum. Anyway, you put that over the mark on the table and you just go over it.
You got this.
Like you're ironing. And then, like magic,
Lesson learned.
It's disappeared. You go over that part there. I just thought I'd show you this. It's easiest way I've found to remove the white marks that you get in wood. It's actually water that is in there, and I thought I'd share this with you. It's just another money saving tip, rather than you buying sandpaper or struggling along. Pretty much everybody has got a iron. And everybody has these brown paper parcels arriving. I get them most days. So, and then you just go over that. Nothing technical, as you can see. Just like magic. And job's a good one. Okay, that's a little bit of glue there, so I'll just have to wipe that off. That's something you can learn from my mistake there. If there's any glue on the packaging, be wary of it, because it will stick to the table. It's no big problem. I can remove that easily enough. Give that a wipe with some furniture polish in a moment. But there you go. All the watermarks are removed without sanding, without doing anything, staining, anything like that. An iron, brown paper, and it's done. Okay, remember, whatever you do, do it well. See you soon.